brown fatigue, bulletproof vest. Like a Desert Storm kind of, he throws it over him. When he's strapping it up, I say, well, good day, sir, good officer. He goes, I'm not no cop. So no officer's going to talk like that. So I turn around, and he looks at me and the other gentleman. He goes, somebody's going to die tonight. Cocks it back, man. By the time he already had his rifle out, cop car's passing by, he just unloads on the cop car, man. The cop did the right thing, man. The cop knew if he would have stopped right then and there and tried to get out, he was going to wreck. The guy was going to run up. The cop, man, he did the right thing. He led to him, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking, like, brought the fight to the guy, man.
How far are you from where this guy parked?
I'm from right here to that, a good 20 feet. I seen the dude. He's about 5'5", he's a black male, short, dark, bald fade, short hair, stocky. He had boots. He had army boots, man. The way he held his rifle, he knew what he was doing.